Hi girls, welcome to my today's concept. Today I'm going to discuss about the topic in network security. In my previous class I told about what is network security and why we need network security nowadays. So this is the first chapter of network security. In this first chapter, the first concept is the overview. Overview means computer security concepts. What are the computer security concepts we have? So let's see the first thing. What is computer security concepts? And the production of afforded to an automated information in order to attain the applicable objectives of preserving the integrity, availability, and confidentiality of information system resources, including hardware and software. So this is called the computer security concepts. We have to preserve our informations, whatever may be, it may be hardware and software. So we have to preserve all of the things from the outsiders is called the computer security concepts. So there are three key objectives that are the heart of the computer security. The first one is confidentiality, second one is integrity, third one is availability. These three concepts are one of the key objectives of the heart of the computer security. If you have these three things, then we have your data or your software and hardware are also in a secured manner. Okay, let you see about in detail what are these, or what is confidentiality, what is integrity, and what is availability. So the first thing is confidentiality. So confidential means when you keep the things in a secured manner. In a secured manner is called the confidentiality or confidential. So if you have a important informations or important things in your life, you have kept it in a secret manner or in a safe manner, is called as a confidential matters. So in this concept, this terms covers two related concepts. The first one is data confidentiality, second one is privacy. So data confidentiality means assures that private or confidential information is not made available to unauthorized individuals, because without authorized persons the data cannot be accessed by others, outsiders, is called the data confidentiality. How we provide data confidentiality means by using the username, password, and many other ways we have protect our data, is called the data confidentiality. Only the authorized person can view the data is called the data confidentiality. Okay, next one is the privacy. Privacy means assured that individual control or influence what information related to them may be collected and stored by whom and to whom that information will be disclosed. So this is called the privacy. Privacy also something related to the confidentiality. We kept informations in a secret manner is called privacy. In other words, you can also say the state of being free from public attention is also called the privacy. Okay. Next one is integrity. Integrity means the quality of being honest or genuine. So that this is called the integrity means. This terms covers two related concepts. This first one is data integrity and the second one is system integrity. So first, the data integrity means assures that information and programs are changed only in a specified and authorized manner only. Without the authorized persons, any other change the data, it will create some damages to the original data. So data integrity means only the authorized person changes the information or the content. Okay. Next, the system integrity. So the system integrity means assure that the system performs its intended function in an unimpaired manner, free from deliberate unauthorized manipulation of system. Unimpaired manner means not damaged by other. So this is called the system integrity. So integrity means we kept the informations in a honest or genuine manner. Okay. Next, availability. Availability means assures that the system work promptly or properly, and services is not denied to authorized users. So if I am authorized user, whenever the authorized user asks the information, the system will provide without any denied. Without any denied, the information should be provided to the authorized users. So this is called the availability of data. These three concepts form what is often referred to as CIA triad. C means confidentiality, I means integrity, and A means availability. Okay, so by these things are all in your system. So then you can say that our data and information, hardware and software are kept as secured manner. The fundamental security objectives. The fundamental security objectives are, the first one is confidentiality, the second one is integrity, and third one is availability. These three are the key objectives of the computer security. Computer securities. So these three concepts embody the fundamental security objectives for both data and for the information services. FIPS 199 characterization of three objectives. That means FIPS means Federation Information and Information System. This federation gives standard for the security categorization. So FIPS 199 is a standard, is providing standard for security categorization of Federal Information and Information System. FIPS 199 provides a useful characterization of these three objectives in terms of requirements and definition of laws of security in each category. Because we already said that the key features, the key objectives of computer security is confidentiality, integrity, and availability. If there is a loss in these three things, what will be occur? This was denoted by the FIPS 199, because FIPS 199 is providing characterization for computer security. So if there is a loss in these three objectives, what will happen? The first thing is confidentiality. Confidentiality means preserving authorized restrictions on information access. Already we know that we kept informations in a secret manner. So if it has loss on that confidentiality, what will be occur is, if we disclose the information to the unauthorized person, so that will be the loss in the confidential data. So a loss of confidentiality is the unauthorized disclosure of information. If we provide information to an unauthorized person, is the loss of confidentiality. Okay, next, integrity. What is the loss of integrity here is, integrity means it is a honest or genuine way of keeping data. In other ways, we can say integrity is called guarding against improper information modification or destructions. Improper information modifications means without the knowledge of you, someone changes the data, will create a damage to your information. So we kept the data in a proper manner, guarding against improper information modification or restrictions. So if there is a loss in integrity, what will happen means, a loss of integrity is the unauthorized modification or destruction of information. Without your knowledge, someone changes your confidential data, will create a loss to you, isn't it? So that is called the integrity. If there is a loss in integrity means this will happen. The next one is the availability. I already told that availability means the authorized user will access the content without any deny. Okay, ensuring timely and reliable access to and use of information is called the availability. If there is a loss in the availability means, a loss of availability is the disruption of access to or use of information. If you deny the information to the authorized person, will create a problem. The authorized person will not able to access the data, is also the loss in the availability. So these three these three objectives are worked properly, then we can say that computer security is working good. Apart from these three objectives, confidentiality, integrity, and availability, additionally Additionally, two more security fields are included. What are they? Are authenticity and accountability. Although the use of CIA means confidentiality, integrity, and availability, try to define security objectives is well established. Someone in the security field feel that additional concepts are needed to present a complete picture for this computer security objectives. So they decided to add two more field in the computer security. What are the two fields are? First one is authenticity, the second one is accountability. So authenticity, what is the meaning of authenticity is it should not have a copy, or otherwise we have to say it is in a genuine manner. The informations are in a genuine manner is called authenticity. The property of being genuine or being able to be verified and trusted is called authenticity. Authenticity means it is a trusted one. It is being able to verify. This means verifying that user or who they say they are, and that each input arriving at the system came from a trusted source. In other words, you can say that information provided to the trusted one and also the information received from the trusted person is called the authenticity. I have to check the both details. And the second one is accountability. Accountability means the responsibility. The security goal that generates the requirement for actions of an entity to be traced uniquely to that entity. This supports fault isolation and prevention. So these two additional fields are included by these included in the security concepts. So totally we have the five concepts. The first one is CIA, confidentiality, integrity, and availability. The additional two security fields are authenticity and accountability. If these fives are kept well manner in your security systems in an organization, then you can say that your data and information, your hardware and software are in a secured manner. So this is the basic thing. This is the overview of computer security informations. In my next video, I will tell you what are the additional informations about this computer security informations. We have some informations about we have some examples for this too. So I will tell you the informations. What is the confidentiality, what is integrity, and what is availability. In my next video I will tell you with examples for these also. So I think overall you have get an idea what is computer security. Overview of computer security means we have these five informations: confidentiality, and then second one is integrity, and third one is availability, the fourth one is authenticity, and the fifth one is authenticity and accountability. If these security fields are properly maintained in your organization, then the data are overall we have some security, so we don't need to afraid of the hackers and all those things. Thank you, girls.